fallen dreams, draconian hearts that push extremes, ashen facades, fiendish souls, scarlet rivers of filth and gore. Sapphire sky cringes in pain, stoops so low to extinguish the flame. Magenta doves flee to breathe, but consumed by smoke, their pulsations cease. Mendacious winds titillate yet sting. The nightingale's song becomes forlorn and distant. Ravaged waters plunge into their depths, asphyxiating rats swathing its residents. Scattered carcasses blemish the soil, decaying matter becomes life's core. Lava kings enjoy the charcoal scenery as the spirit of earth succumbs to its destiny, and its beauty and life begin to wane. Landscapes become barren, the heavens become desolate, and amidst the echo of death, a tiny yet healthy shoot finds its way through the deceased land.